In the mid-90s, leading up to the year 2000, a young set of Rastas, including reggae dancehall superstar Sizzla KALONJI, rise up in Jamaica. And let me tell you, they were burning the fire red hot. Yes, over the years, lot of the man them cease from burning the fire, but definitely not a Sizzla KALONJI. This a man ya, him no business about no corporate sponsorship nor no visa, because his United States visa was revoked, and over those years Sizzla KALONJI was still burning the fire, still a put it on who supposed to get it. Well, in recent times his visa was reinstated. And let me tell you, Sizzla KALONJI dropping at the United States of America, New York to be exact. And it wasn't nothing different. Sizzla KALONJI fling the fire upon all who supposed to get it. See him way. Pray this. Listen up.
You know what I'm saying there? If not funny, man, don't need to push up his Saturday board. Don't have to deal with him, you. I will never look with him. Me have to start because he can follow it down. I'm sitting here. That's like I don't have a change. Yes, sir. The more fire. It's more fire. Yo. Jamaica. Mama Africa. What did you look after? We have London now. Tell you now. You know me like that, no? Well then, no, you might be on the service. Yes, everybody know. All together now. We are guys going now. No. Hey, what is sexy girls down there? Push up, bro. Have you some top of dinner? What's sexy? Top of dinner. Where did you go? How long is it?